what's up YouTube? Look right over there. I actually need this little glass handle or acrylic handle right over here on this right side and that left side. So I found this online. I couldn't find any of these in store like at Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace Hardware store. So I luckily found this on Amazon. There's also some on eBay. If you'd like to check these out for yourself, just check out the link down in the description below. But basically they connect onto wherever you'd like on the mirror with 3M back taping. You just peel this piece off, just like this, to expose the sticky part right there. And then you just stick it on just like that. It says acrylic, no, it says LPM acrylic mirror knob. So when you take it out the bag, this is what it looks like. It's got a really nice build to it and pretty lightweight. But this is before, and then I'll show you the after, because usually I have to open this thing up and I have to grab the edge of this to open up my closet. So it's a lot easier if I have the actual knob or handle to grab it. Okay, so in regards to where to place this thing, you can put it wherever you'd like, but what I was trying to do is stick around to where the standard height is for most knobs. So I took the measurement of this doorknob here and other ones around my house, and it's roughly around 3 feet. So what I did was I took the measurement of the total mirror distance from there to the top, and it's 77 inches. So I divided that by 2 and I came up with 38.5 inches, or 38.5 inches. So that is the mid distance of the mirror. So I'm gonna place this handle right over here, and I wanna have it offset by about 1/4 inch. Right over here. So I put a piece of tape with a little star, so I know that's the bottom of where I want my knob to be at. So I'm gonna be mounting it like that, but of course I'm gonna remove this piece of tape first. So here's what it looks like. You can see here, I have it about 1/4 inch gap in there, and then I'm going ahead and remove this tape. That was my bottom marker, and this is what it looks like. Looks really nice. I wish it would have came this way. And you can see how strong it is. You can slide it back and forth easily. And all you do really is you're just gonna push down on it really hard and it'll stick. All right, so installation is complete. It only took about 10 minutes to do. Most of the time took to measure it to get in the place that I wanted to be at. So this is the right side here. And then that's the left side. Let me give you a little walkthrough, what it looks like. And it looks really good. I like the design. It has a little bevel right here with a flat spot, and the whole thing, even though it's acrylic, it's completely a mirror-like finish. So, like I said, it's really easy to push and pull it. Doesn't even want to give. I'll pull it backwards and forwards. And then I'll show you the side view. And actually, while I was installing this thing, I was kind of concerned about the left side. I was scared that it would actually hit and bang this side right here. This is the sliding piece here. I was worried it was gonna hit this left side, but it actually goes right behind it, like barely. You can see it's a really tight fit. As you can see there, it is pretty tight, but at least it doesn't bang it directly. So let me slide this back here so you can see that. But that's the left side, that's the right side. But I hope you all enjoyed this quick little review on these acrylic mirror handles. If you want to check these awesome products out, just check out the links down in the description below. But please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And as always, thank you for watching.